Okay. Sorry. Yeah, this should be better. Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually connected through two devices just in case there's something happens to one of them. Yeah, okay. Okay. Hi guys. Uh, so good afternoon. We have been part of this group for like almost 8 9 months, I guess. Most people. The group we started with a hope that we can pretty much unite the whole ECell community of India, and there are a lot of ECLs already with us. And this COVID time is one time when we can actually probably get connected through this online medium, Zoom sessions and all. So that's the thing, and we have put some agenda points. Some colleges do this, I think. Like I know IIT Bombay has done a eConnect, and also I know I think other colleges also do. IIT Madras also did, and I think some other colleges also I think have done this kind of thing in person. But I think now is a good time to get things rolling at least, and this is why we thought we should do this meeting. Okay. So yeah, just let me introduce myself. So my name is Vishal. I'm the founder of Learning While Traveling, and we are into startup taking them for global exposure. But at the time of COVID, we have to pretty much stop our operations for the global travel. So right now we have also come up with a we are doing a we have launched a online preschool for kids aged 3 to 12 years. So that's another product line that we launched as a pivot or as an additional product, you can say. Okay. So the way we can proceed for this meeting is, let's have a quick introduction of everyone. Okay. Like who you are and what do you study and which ECL you belong to or which college you belong to. So let me allow everyone to unmute yourself. Just a sec.
Okay, hi, good afternoon.
Now everyone can unmute themselves. So yeah, please, yes, please, anime, yeah, and Animesh, yes, please.
Okay, hi everyone. I hope I am audible. Am I?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
so great. Myself, Animesh Pisain, and I'm from ECEL, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. So basically, our ECEL is the biggest ECEL in Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal region. Okay, right now, I mean, we started in 2017, and right now we have a very good hold over startups and all other things. And today we also have a plan. I mean, we have a proposal ready for a e-connect type of thing. We are making a online model so that we can connect all the ECLs across the globe, not only India. So yeah, handing over to some other people. You know.
Yeah. So next, Pavitra Walia, please, can you introduce yourself?
So hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So I am Pavitra. I am from ECEL MAIT. I am located in Delhi. Yeah.
Thank you. Nishant Gupta.
Hello everyone, I'm Nishant Gupta. I am from ECL Thapar University.
Okay, thank you. Siddharth Garg.
Uh, Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
yes.
I am from ESL IIT Ropar. Currently, I am executive of web development department there, and I am pursuing electrical engineering from IIT Ropar.
Okay, thank you very much. Karthik Arora.
Hello everyone, I'm from EDC, Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Thapar University, and hope to have a great session over here.
Thank you. Ishika Agarwal, right? Yeah, Ishika, please.
Yeah, hello. I'm from Kalyani Government Engineering College, and I'm
West
the
West
convener
Bengal,
of
right?
AGCC. Yes,
Yeah, okay, okay. I think I have been to your college. Yeah, Arzu.
yes.
Yeah. Greetings everyone. I'm Arsu. I'm from Entrepreneurship Development Cell Thapa University. Looking forward to a great session.
Yeah, thank you. Somalia Dev.
Hello everyone, my name is Somalia. I'm from EDC Thapar University. I'm a computer science student.
Yeah, thank you. Gauri Dikshit.
Hello everyone, I am from VNIT Nagpur and I am the head of events of ECL VNIT and I am pursuing architecture there.
Okay, thank you. Harsh Mittal.
Hello everyone. My name is Harsh Mittal. I'm from VNIT Nagpur. I'm currently pursuing mechanical engineering. I'm head of operations at ESL VNIT.
Thank you. Ashima Tandon.
Hello everyone, I am Ashima Tandon from EDCEL from Thapar Institute and I am currently pursuing computer science.
Okay, thank you, Ashima. So let's stay muted unless we are speaking. That helps, not because Zoom में एक problem है. The background noise can take over at times. So I think it's one good practice to stay muted most of the time unless you are speaking. And there is a raise hand button, so you can use that if you would like to speak. And then I can let you give a chance and things like that. So yeah, Animesh, you wanted to have a presentation, please, right? So
Yes,
let
yes, yes.
me, yeah, I think you're already a co-host, so you can present, I think, directly.
Just a
The
moment,
permission.
somebody from my team will share it.
Yeah,
Nishant?
sure. Nishant, are you there? Nishant, right? Yeah.
Okay, so I have a request to everyone. Since we have over here 4 to 5 e-cells are over here. Let's make it a dialogue session, not a monologue session. Let's, discuss upon the
Yeah.
topics.
Sure. More like a group discussion.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay. So basically, since we started in 2017, after that 27, it's been around 3 years, and we have did some great work. Okay. So I would not like to waste the time in all the events which we do. I would like to directly come on to the point. Nishant, can you please open the business ecosystem section? So basically, I'll share this slide on the group also so that you can have an overview of it.
By the way, I'm recording these sessions. I'll put it, as a
Okay, great.
file. Yeah. So that will be easy to access. Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
Nishant, can you please open the business model section, business ecosystem section? Okay, great. So basically, currently we are going to launch a we are going to do a virtual inauguration of our website. And in our website, we are going to have a very special section that is known as business ecosystem section. And our motive of starting this section is to connect all the e-cells, all the incubators, all the investors and startups too. So अब तक हम लोग जो भी करते थे right now, let's say if there are X number of startups or X number of e-cell, let's talk about e-cell right now. तो जितने भी e-cells होते थे उन सबको आपस में connect करने के लिए one on one जाना पड़ता था कि let's say I want to sign an MOU with EDC MAIT. So I'll go directly to them. I'll ask them whether they want to collaborate with me or not for so and so event. So if they like the terms and conditions, they'll join that. But what we want to do is that we want to create a common ecosystem. If someone wants to connect over that, then it will get automatically connected to all the e-cells present over there. Let's say, okay, there is a business ecosystem already present, and I, being a member of ADC TIAT, I want to go over there. So if I join that business ecosystem, then I'll be automatically connected with all the e-cells present over there. Okay, so we'll do mutual publicity of all the events which we do across the year. Okay, is this clear enough? I mean the e-cell part, or do I need to elaborate something?
Yeah, please carry on. I think we can do a discussion on this.
Okay.
After you finish, maybe, yeah, or in between, if anybody has question, feel free to unmute yourself and ask, please.
Okay, now coming on to the second point, that we also want to connect incubators. So how we can utilize them? Let's say there are 2 institutes. Let's talk about Punjab. Then let's say there is Thapar and there is some other institute. Let's talk about PEC. PEC is also engineering college. It's about 60 kilometers away from Thapar. And suppose if 2 incubators of both the institutes connected, and there is a startup which is being incubated under PEC, and they want a 3D printer. And let's suppose if PEC does not have 3D printer, then they can come to us. We can help them with that. So we can do the resource sharing too. So that would be a major factor why incubators should connect. Apart from that, let's say IIT Bombay, let's say there is a IIT Bombay incubator who is just mentoring a startup, okay, and the startup is based out of any region. Since I'm I am representing Thapar, and Thapar is in Punjab. I'll talk about Punjab itself. Suppose there is a startup based out of Patiala and they just want mentoring from IIT Bombay and they do not want to shift to Bombay. Okay, so they can, since IIT Bombay and EDC Thapar will already connected, so they can use the office space of EDC Thapar. Okay, so they do not need to shift their all their staff and all other things to Bombay. So it would be collectively better for both because IIT Bombay should also, I mean, अगर वो लोग भी अपने रिसोर्सेज उनको लगाने पड़ेंगे वहां पे ऑफिस स्पेस जनरेट करने के लिए वहां पे नहीं होता है तो और यहाँ पे अगर हमारे पास है तो हम लोग रिसोर्स शेयरिंग कर सकते हैं इन दैट वे नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द थर्ड पॉइंट इन्वेस्टर्स इससे इन्वेस्टर्स का क्या बेनिफिट होगा सिंस वी ऑल विल बी कनेक्टेड ऑन अ काइंड ऑफ सोशल मीडिया थिंग दैट इज द बिजनेस इकोसिस्टम we'll be representing our e-cells, so there will be a healthy competition between all the e-cells, so they'll be promoting their own startups, but at the same time there will be a prestige associated with all the startups over there. Suppose I am recommending a startup to any investor, so if that startup got rejected for the funding, so there will be a prestige associated with me which will go down, so I will automatically recommend good startups. So comparatively, if we see, the level of startups will also go up. So that's all from my side in a brief. We can have discussion on this. I mean, if
Yeah,
anyone
a
have
very
any
good
kind of
initiative.
question, then I'm open to answer.
Yeah. Let me just do a quick, like one 2-line summary of what I think what Animesh is trying to say. So all he's saying is, we just share resources of eCell. So if somebody from Bombay is going to, let's say Thapar, I mean wherever another city, so that very city can be used as a like a shared resource. यहाँ चलो मैं यहाँ गया तो or not just shared resource I will say. I think it's also will be good for networking कि, if somebody is traveling to one place to other place, I guess they have some local people to meet up on the startup ecosystem and college. So थोड़ा सा college भी देख लिया, थोड़ा सा उनके ECL से भी meet up हो गया. So it's and like you find some people for hangout. So you might be going for some boring stuff, yeah, जो भी family stuff, but you can easily spare out few hours to sort of mingle with the local ECL, I guess. Yes, yeah, that's very good, Animesh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's okay, we can stop. Anybody else have any question or any comment on this kind of initiative, or like let's say who all would like to think about it at least? You can just unmute yourself and speak, please.
Yeah, I think I can discuss
please
this with my
Pavitra,
team, and
yeah, sure.
yeah, sure, and surely reach out to Animesh if the team finds it good.
Okay, sure. Anyone, other person, anybody has any question for Animesh from Thapar? Okay. See, such a easy thing. We never did it before. आज इतने दिन बाद हम लोग कर रहे हैं इस चीज online meetup. Yeah, Nishant, you want to share more things?
No, sir, thank you.
Okay, so ठीक है, तो screen sharing off कर देते हैं अब. ठीक है, so next coming to I think first let's say the agenda points. How can eCell collaborate together? So I think Animesh has given one idea that it's kind of a cross collaboration, that whenever we go to different places or we want to shift or we want to make a transfer or even open a branch office, use shared resource. Anybody else would like to say something on would you like to propose something on this collaboration avenues? What other collaboration can we do, especially during this lockdown time and all? I mean, abhi college kab khulega और किस level पे खुलेगा, nobody knows, right? And it might take more than what we are seeing right now. I mean, it's very hard to predict. Yes, Happy Singh. Okay, Happy is your real name, Happy?
No, that's not my real name. Sorry for that. I have some points. In this time of lockdown, most of the cells are, other than the incubation part, they're operating on their social media. So what I do suggest is everyone follows all the core teams of different E-cells follow the other core teams, then they engage on the social media and participate in their online events. That way they can connect with each other and know what's going on.
Sure. इसमें मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा. I think everybody can add. Actually, I think like see, most colleges are used to organizing their own events, right? But now maybe because things are going online, so you can actually do a like a joint event with few e-sales combined maybe, and it can depend. I
The
mean,
webinars and the talk shows can be done in collaboration with other
yeah,
institutions.
collaboration. उससे क्या है कि तुम्हारे पास 5 लोग हैं या let's say one college have 5. Happy, by the way, which college are you from?
I'm from MSIT.
MSIT. What's your real name? Let me rename you. Real name क्या है?
Prateek, yeah, please rename me. Prateek.
Prateek. Okay, I'm right. Renaming you. Prateek. Okay, so that. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So what I was saying कि we can all think of having joint events. उससे क्या है कि let's say ECL have 10-15 people, maybe 20 people, right? But then we all know that usually like ECL में भी आधे लोग क्या होता है, usually what I have seen is कि आधे लोग जस्ट अपना सीवी बनाने के लिए आ जाते हैं. काम आधे ही लोग करते हैं, आधे भी क्या है 10% 20% ही करते हैं. So but then when you combine e-sales of 3 colleges, 4 colleges or 2 colleges also, then you get that enthusiastic people, like दो भी आते हैं ना कॉलेज से, तो 4 हो गए, right? और 4 का 6 हो गया, 6 का 8 हो गया, right?
And the
So
ones who
now
really need to work will work in the collaboration. The rest of
yeah, that's what I'm proposing.
just
So right
deciding.
now maybe it's a good time to work in collaboration, and of course you can have your own things also coming out of it and things like that. So सबका logo डाल दो. I mean, like joint collaboration, that partners, कौन ECL partner है, that will also become a good revolutionary thing, right? I mean, these things didn't happen so much before. So let's say if anybody is willing to organize an event, I mean, let's say in coming month or coming weeks, right? So what we can do is, I mean, is anybody actually planning any event in coming month or coming week or something like very?
Vishal, I would like to add on. So
Yeah.
basically, yeah, we are planning a event that's on 21st. It's a e-talk. It will be our
Okay.
10th e-talk, and we are inviting director of OYO over there, director of international business of OYO. So if anyone
21st
want
June.
to,
21st June, right?
June.
Okay.
Yeah, 21st of this month. Yeah. So if anyone wants to collab with us for the same, then we can share a Google form over here. We have already prepared it, and I'll make
Yeah,
sure.
please do share the Google form here and also on the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah. So if anyone wants to collaborate, they can do that.
Yes, Prateek. Yeah, you have comment, please.
We are starting up with a talk show, and it's not going to be concentrated on the already achieved entrepreneurs. We are going to invite the different presidents of e-sales all across the India, and people from their colleges who've had successful startups or the alumni, so that we can know what it feels like to incubate and start up at a student level. That's
Correct.
what we are unaware of right now.
Yeah, it's a very good point. I think e-sales can mostly concentrate on that their own kind of, right? कि इस कॉलेज में जो बच्चे हैं वो कैसे स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक क्योंकि वही उनसे रिलेट कर पाएंगे. अदरवाइज तो बहुत सारा कहानी है, बहुत सारा स्टोरी है. आई मीन you can see lot of story in movies also.
There's a bunch of stories out there.
Correct. I mean,
But
lot of
what
stories
really
are there.
matters is
I mean, you have to
what
find your
students
related
go through.
story.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So that's
Like
the thing we're working on.
sure. That's good. Yeah, Animesh, you had some comment. You were saying something? No.
No, I was not saying something, but I would like to I would like to add one thing that Prateek, we can do. We can do a podcast of the same too. I mean, we can record the audio, then we can use it for other purposes.
Yes, we can definitely do that as well. But I was planning to roll it out as a podcast, but I thought instead let's do it a live session. So in case someone has some doubts, they can post it online. They can present the doubts in the comments. And we can come up with the answers to that as well, or we can
we
answer
can
them
even
later.
record the live session too. I mean, then we can upload it
Yeah,
later.
Yeah. I mean, you can do both. I'll say कि
we can do both.
जैसे ये सेशन हो रहा है, राइट? इसको मैं रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं डाल दूंगा कहीं पे, फिर लेट्स से यूट्यूब चैनल पे या व्हाटएवर. सो पीपल कैन like this becomes like something that people can go through again and again. Let's say the people who missed the meeting, same can happen for e-talks, right? So जो आएंगे उस दिन, जो नहीं आ पाए वो recorded session देख लेंगे. And it depends on the person also. I mean, who is giving the talk, if he is ready to get it recorded or not. So I think that's how things can. Yeah, but I think what Pratik, you are going to also do some series e-talks, right? So I think
Yeah,
this
it's going to
e-talk can go, like a collaboration thing kind of. I mean, if other people also want to have some e-talks, things can be done in collaboration क्योंकि सबका अपना अपना contact है, and probably half the contact may be very mutually exclusive, and people can split the work then, right? कि okay, this ECL will take care of this day's e-talk, and this ECL will take care of this days. इससे क्या है कि at least हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि 12 महीने में 12 e-talks तो हो सकते हैं at least, right? And that will become a good value addition from a student community point of view. I think हो रहे हैं already बहुत सारे, but somehow the information is also not floating very well. So
diversified.
and
So that's why
yeah,
I
diversified
suggested
and
that all
probably
these
too much.
teachers across India connect with each other on the social media.
Correct. And mainly focus on student-led startups, because that's what you will be able to inspire people.
That's what
Otherwise,
we are focusing on. Yeah.
correct.
That's we want to focus on.
Yeah. Anyone has any comment or suggestion or something, please?
Yeah, I have shared the Google form over here. So if anyone is interested,
Yeah.
then they can fill it. And talking about the e-talks, then we can take the help of alums of different institutes. Let's say, I mean, in last 2 months since lockdown, EDC Thapar has organized more than 10, I mean, more than 9 e-talks. We're going to organize the 10th one. So, and in most of them, we took the help of our alumni. So alumni can be of great resource.
Correct. Yeah, and now alumni resource can be shared, because if you are collaborating with multiple colleges, तुम्हारा alumni तुम्हारा सुन लिया, किसी और का alumni उनका सुनेगा, and things like that, right? So it becomes like a single platform, kind of a Facebook of student entrepreneurs kind of. ठीक है, ये एक था, एक और point था. I think somebody had in the agenda that what are the different competitions happening where ECLs can participate. So like NEC. So NEC happened in IIT Bombay last year. So ये भी चीज एक something to sort of come across any competition listed on our website also, yeah, or that can be like listed on various websites of various ECL. I think we should create a calendar of events also. उससे क्या है ना कि वो like a ECL calendar, let's say. ये एक बार हमने, I think we did in our WhatsApp group, we did list 1 2 3 sort of month wise, but it has to we have to make it more structured, I guess, and the same information can be replicated on various ECL social media website and things. So I think feel free to tell if any competitive advising to lot of startups. I say कि सबसे पहला seed fund या पहला पैसा you can actually raise from this kind of competition. कि competition का अगर price है 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever. So at least that can take care of your very initial let's say product expense, कुछ marketing का expense, at least get you some help. So initial seed fund is I mean, competitions are a good way to build initial brand and get seed fund. Okay. Anyone has any comment on this, please? This competition, raising money via
Yes,
competition, let's say.
competition can be, I mean, they can be very useful for raising money. Last time we organized a startup expo. Basically, startup expo was a competition where startups of different colleges came and they raised good amount of money. There was a startup called Happy Pocket. It raised 1.25 crore. I mean, it was a great startup, and one of our alumni came over there and he invested 1.25 crores for some equity. So competitions can be very useful.
Sure. Yeah, even that I mean, even if not that one, the cash prize part, cash prize भी होता है बहुत सारे
Yes.
competition में. So then the equity doesn't need I mean, let's say the company is not registered and all, so that time those can also play a role. So at the very basic level, it can give some 10,000 rupees or something, 20,000 or whatever, to get that initial kickstart, and then that can add on, or at least I mean, we should all I mean, like students should all participate in this competition, because the minimum you will get is some visibility and branding. So there is nothing harm in attending these competitions. So if you can come up with a focused calendar of let's say student led startup competitions, that can be a good value addition of this group. ठीक है.
Okay, I have a suggestion for
Okay,
all the ESL. Basically,
please.
whenever you organize a competition, please try to search if there is any government initiative which have the similar objective as of your event. So you can raise money from there also. They also contribute to your event. Last time we organized a very similar event in which the government gave us 1 lakh rupee as prize money. So basically, we only had to invest for the organizing and all other stuff, and government gave us the prizes which we can give the startups. So
Yeah,
government,
and you become like a government's marketing wing kind
right.
of, right? तो government का भी भला हो गया. Otherwise they have to spend on marketing इधर
हाँ
उधर. वो budget as a prize ही देते हैं कि हाँ भाई ले जाओ.
हाँ उनको अपने बेसिकली वर्कफोर्स इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है और हमारे पास ऑलरेडी
Correct,
टीम
correct,
होती
correct.
है, so we can do all the
Yeah, yeah,
callings and all other things.
correct. Okay. ठीक है. Anyone else want to add something on this? Feel free to add. I think ठीक है. Anyway, I think first time है. थोड़ा सा shyness भी रहेगा अभी. But let's try to give our input. That's how we can grow. ठीक है. एक third point भी था. Yes, Gauri, please.
Yeah, I just want to ask, like, raising money is fine. Like for prize, we have to raise money to give prize to the participants. But how are you going to do that in this period of lockdown and like after post-corona period? Because like we sometimes we do rely on the CSR funds and all of many corporate sectors, but they are also merged with that COVID thing. So it is going to be difficult in the coming days to raise money for events as well. So if we are planning for more events, then we have to plan something for this also, I guess.
Anybody wants to answer this?
Yeah, so Gauri, I think there are some sectors which are benefited by the corona. Let's say the education sector. There are companies like Byju's. I mean, their shares have gone up by a big margin. So we can contact them, we can reach them. So they are ready to invest. And we have already, the ESL of Thapar is already connected with such initiatives. So I think you can connect with them too.
Yeah, and one more thing I'll add. Actually, see, when you are organizing now online event, you may not need that much sponsorship now. Okay. So now your fixed cost. I mean the जो पूरा event organization का जो cost था, that will drop also. So all you need is maybe a bit of the prize money part वाला चीज, plus maybe something else for, let's say, some other kind of poster making and things, let's say. तो अभी ये क्या है कि events का cost भी reduce हो जाएगा. So it balances out in a bit. But I mean there may not be a straightforward answer right now. Like I think Animesh was saying, some sectors are doing well, some sectors are not doing well, and एक और चीज हो रहा है कि lot of businesses are shutting down, but then lot of businesses are opening up, right? And some of them might need that some of them might be very student focused products, so those will be the people who would be happy to give 10,000-20,000 rupees for, let's say, some kind of sponsorship. And now I think you don't need to raise that 1 lakh 2 lakh वाला sponsorship अभी covid के time at least, क्योंकि उतना पैसा शायद देने से लोग ये हो, but a small ticket size and maybe taken from multiple sponsors might be something lot of sponsors would do, क्योंकि वो ऐसे भी अगर इंटर्नशिप वगैरह भी करते हैं तो 2-4 हजार 5 हजार तो ऐसे भी वो देना ही पड़ता है उनको. तो it becomes like a marketing budget, small ticket size, and it I mean even a prize money of 5,000 is okay if somebody is participating in an online event. वो that person will be motivated, क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था कि they had to travel to your college, then participate, उनका staying का खर्चा, खाने का खर्चा, तो सारा खर्चा has reduced, right? So prize money even reduced, that will also help them. So that's my take. But of course, I mean this can be discussed more and evolved more, and we'll know more answers. Okay. Anyone else have any comment on this?
I'd like to add to that. I'd like to add to that. Since we haven't actually started tapping sponsors yet, we don't know what the market position is going to be like. Since we all know that businesses are not flourishing well, it also means that they need more marketing and they are willing to collaborate much more. Since the previously good running businesses who weren't willing for marketing schemes and things like that, now they need marketing. They need online marketing to grow their business. So the thing is, this COVID lockdown can affect this thing in both ways.
Yeah, true. So their old marketing strategies might be not working now. Abhi they might be, more on this online event marketing. So there is a chance that they might be able to, you might be able to get something. Or I don't know, I mean, cash नहीं भी देंगे तो कुछ voucher देंगे, कुछ देंगे, कुछ lot of people are willing to sell their product also for a cheaper price. तो discount coupons वगैरह भी कुछ मिलता है, तो not I mean still a good deal is a hamper can be created, right? Still a good motivation for people to participate. Okay. एक और agenda point is कि how can eSales stop event management and start promoting entrepreneurs to initiate journey. So okay, so eSales do a lot of event management, but I guess now COVID time पे भी जो online events होंगे, so the event management portion will reduce a bit now, right? Anyone else want to have any comment here? Event management versus, let's say, promoting entrepreneurs. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. I think अभी COVID का time है, क्या नहीं होगा, we don't know exactly. But at least अभी तो जैसा मैंने बोला ना कि all the burden has also reduced, right? Organizing an online event will not require that much blood sweat. ये करना है, वो करना है, ये सजाना है, वो सजाना है, सब कुछ a virtual background can do all for people, and you can just share that virtual background to them. You can use this virtual background and present whatever you are presenting. ठीक है, फोर्थ पॉइंट पे आते हैं. हाउ कैन वी मेक अ लॉन्ग टर्म how can we make a long term lasting strong community of startup enthusiastic college student? ठीक है, anyone has any comment up to here? Gauri, I think you are trying to unmute your mic.
Actually, I just wanted to add on the that point of like ESL should stop event management thing, because I guess after this Corona thing, I guess the task of like the task of as a head of events, I'm saying that our task increases, because if we are planning to do online events, then the motivation of participants and like if you are planning some webinars, then the motivation of students to come join and listen to the speaker is very less. So we have to think that part also, like how to encourage them to join these things, because if there is a physical event, then it's fine. Like if I am going, I'll ask my friend also, like chal saath mein chalte hain, like that. But for online events, it is quite difficult to do that. And even if we are having some offline event, like if colleges opens and all, then also we need to practice that social distancing thing along with like uh, managing the event. So I guess our task also increase.
Yeah, सही बात है. But one way your task will decrease is see online event में, let's say today I was holding this event, this we can call it an event. ठीक है, so let's say only 5 people turned up. Just assume अभी तो 20 लोग आ गए हैं करीब, I think 24 लोग दिख रहे हैं मुझे total. But let's say just 24 की जगह 4 ही आते हैं, right? But since I am doing it from the comfort of my home, I will not mind so much. मैं वो 4 लोगों के साथ भी आधा घंटा का सेशन कर लूंगा. I have not a issue. ठीक है, ऐसे फिजिकल इवेंट्स में क्या होता है ना कि अगर आपका एक इवेंट है तो यू नीड दैट मच पार्टिसिपेशन एटलीस्ट टू लुक गुड, राइट? तो वो भी एक चीज है. आई थिंक इट्स अ ट्रेड ऑफ. आई से आई विल नॉट से कि पूरा खत्म हो गया है काम, बट नाउ दैट ऑनलाइन आई मीन joining, तो उसी में I think other resales can come in, that collaborating with other resales, so that now if somebody is organizing an event in Delhi, the people from Bangalore or Mumbai can also participate. तो and previously क्या होता था कि you're only your local hyper local area or maybe a bit 100 किलोमीटर रेडियस 200 किलोमीटर रेडियस, उतने दूर तक की लोग आते थे मेनली. दूर वाले लोग बहुत कम आते थे, आते भी होंगे बट नॉट मेनी, राइट? बट अभी क्या है कि द होल इंडिया इज योर market now, pretty much like all e-sales. So this collaboration, this kind of meeting and collaboration will help a lot in getting those online participants. जैसे कि मैं और बोल रहा था ना e-sale event का, कि दो लाइक e-sale में 10 लोग हैं 20 लोग हैं, तो 20 लोग में से 4 ही लोग काम करता है ज्यादा, बाकी लोग जस्ट सीवी बनाता है या थोड़ा मोड़ा ही काम करता है. So if you start collaborating with other e-sales, you will actually have more people who will be working, and there will be lot of cross promotion of events. And yeah, now the event management will go in a different way, will become more like a national level event management, or even you can invite some NRIs to start with from international crowd. So you might have some friends ये वो कि हाँ यार तुम भी आ जाओ, ये है वो है, तो वो ना चलने वाला चीज का के जगह अब सीधा ऑनलाइन आ जाओ. तो we don't know. I mean, I'm not saying कि ऐसा होगा पक्का, but at least I think I see this as a possibility. Now the whole world is pretty much connected online, so we should think beyond that 100-200 kilometer radius now. Yes, Gur. Yes, please. You want to say something? Yes.
So like you said, by collaborating in an online event, we can even raise the sponsorship, like targeting the education institutes like Udemy and Coding Blocks. Coding Blocks is easy because we'll increase the footfall. In every online event, there is like 15 to 20 people who would like to come to that event. So if we collaborate, obviously the footfall will increase, and that's.
Yeah, that's good. Gur Shimmer, right? Which ESL are you from?
Sir, I'm from EDC TIT.
VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology. Thapar. Oh, okay. Thapar. Okay.
Core member of Thapar.
Yeah, that's good. ठीक है. Yeah. Anyone else have any comment on this event management part? की I think collaboration में और क्या हो सकता है? I mean, even international, I think aim for international collaborations also, because now online है तो अब flight बंद है, but Zoom session तो हो ही सकता है.
Yeah, so I have a point. मतलब जैसे कि अभी event management में whatever strength जितने भी sales थे उनके पास थी, मतलब उतनी strength की अब जरूरत नहीं होगी. We'll be requiring far more less from that. So जितनी भी strength हमारे पास vacant बचती है, उनको हम लोग as a service provider use कर सकते हैं. Let's say मेरा कोई sponsor आता है और उसको digital marketing करवानी है, so I can use my strength over there. और उसके बदले में वो लोग मुझे sponsor कर सकते हैं. Let's say कोई sponsor आता है and he wants me to design something for him, so I can do that. And in return, he can pay me for that. So that can also be a source of sponsorship.
Yeah, kind of a internship exchange kind of.
Right.
So instead of internship, it's more like a like a exchange of services. कि आप sponsor कर दो, salary ना दो, sponsor कर दो और हमारे जो EDC के members हैं वो आपका ये काम कर देंगे 1-2 महीना के लिए या whatever. उससे क्या है कि सबका भला हो गया. Yeah, exposure मतलब तुम्हारे EDC का भी भला हो गया और उनका भी भला हो गया और एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में होगा फिर वो चीज. ऐसे क्या होता है ना, इंटर्नशिप में सब लोग बेचारे कोई इधर भाग रहा है, कोई उधर भाग रहा है, कोई उधर भाग रहा है और पता चला कि किसी का कुछ नहीं हो पाया लास्ट में, या हुआ भी तो हायरिंग फायरिंग तुरंत हो गया उनका. So this way at least like one EDC can be responsible for all EDC members का internship, and they can do that let's say a split revenue. स्प्लिट भी कर सकते हो या whichever way. I mean कि कुछ स्पॉन्सरशिप ले लिया और उसका कुछ पार्ट स्टाइपेंड में भी दे दिया अगर देना है तो, नहीं भी दिया रादर, या इवेंट में यूज कर लिया. सो you will get that sense of unity also I think in this case, right? तो ये भी चीज है. Okay, ठीक है. Anyone else has any comment on this? And I like I said, foreign target use your current strength for foreign colleges now. Think about it, है ना. Start from your own connections. कि तुम्हारा कोई भी connection है जो यूरोप में है, इधर है उधर है, तो try to invite them for your events. That will become a good value addition. Even a student lecture like that will be good enough. कि चलो कोई like let's say some college in UK or something, they have a ESL kind of जो भी वहाँ ESL शायद नहीं बोलते हैं, जो भी बोलते हैं, so that person can present कि how they are doing their ESL activity, right? Kind of. So that can be one presentation like this. ठीक है. Anyone else has any question, comment, or we can move to one more agenda point. ठीक है. एक और agenda point is कि how can we make a long-term lasting strong community of startup enthusiastic college student. So any ESL is doing this? I think some ESLs are probably doing this long-lasting strong community. Yes, Guru Shimar, right? Yes, please.
Sir, it's fine. You may continue.
क्या बोल रहे हो? Sorry.
So you continue. It's fine.
Oh, continue. Okay. हाँ, तो नहीं ये so this is I think ये community build होगा जो अभी जैसे बात भी कर रहे हैं cross collaboration वगैरह करके. So this becomes so I think our community can only handle that also. कि हमारा ईसीएल का जो एक्टिविटी होगा, लेट्स से 12 महीने में 12 होते हैं, एज्यूम करो, लाइक लेट्स से ऑन द मिनिमल लेवल। तो 12 एक्टिविटी में जितने भी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं, एंथुसियास्टिक है, जिनको प्राइज वगैरह मिल रहा है, जो पार्टिसिपेट वगैरह कर रहे हैं, दैट डेटाबेस कैन बी can be kept at like a shared drive or something, so that people can connect with them later. इस टाइप से कुछ, या आई डोंट नो, फेसबुक ग्रुप भी बन सकता है, लिंक्डइन ग्रुप भी इज आल्सो ओके आई गेस। एक टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप भी मैंने बनाया था, बट आई थिंक वी व्हाट्सएप इज द मोस्ट फेमस, आई मीन मोस्ट पॉपुलर ग्रुप टू यूज। ठीक है, कनेक्टिंग विद ईसीएल ऑफ फॉरेन, हाँ ये मैंने लिखा था, तो ये तो मैंने आई थिंक कवर कर लिया। ठीक है, so yeah, I think great meeting today. Anybody has any closing comments or questions, feel free to add, and we can hold this kind of meeting like once a month, let's say probably mid of the month, to check the progress of things, and announce any upcoming events. Okay, yeah, please, anybody have any closing comment or closing जो भी suggestion या question, or feel free to put your question in the group also, WhatsApp group, जो भी है। And I think if some people are not able to join the WhatsApp group because it's all full, what I'll do is I'll also share the Telegram ka, there is a Telegram group also for Pan India ECL. Feel free to add your members in that group, अगर if you're not able to add lot of people from your ECL. ठीक है, ठीक है, all good. Okay, ठीक है then. Okay, great meeting. Thank you very much for coming. I think we had a good, fruitful 40-minute meeting, and let's have this again next month, mid of the month roughly, and we can decide the date and time accordingly. कोई comment बोल रहा है? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sure. चलो, thank you very much. Bye bye.
दो fill the Google
Google, अच्छा Google form वो WhatsApp group में भी circulate कर दो. I think yeah, there's a Google form also given. ठीक है, या देखो ये क्या होता है ना, वर्चुअल मीटिंग पर मिल लेने के बाद ना, देन यू से थिंग्स इन द ग्रुप ना, पीपल विल टेक यू सीरियसली, अदरवाइज लगता है ये स्पैम पे स्पैम आया जा रहा है, ये है वो है, कितना इवेंट है वो सब चीजें। चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच। चलो।